Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page for your website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to facebook.com/pages. So there you are going to see everything about your page. You see all your pages here, as you can see here. And you're going to go to create page down here. So you want to create new page here. So down here you want to type the name of your page. So you want to use the name of your website down there. So since you are creating a business page for your website, for your online business, you are going to be using the name of your website. So you are going to choose the category. So you want to choose the category that your business belongs to, that your website belongs to. So in this case, we have a parenting, children parenting. There you can choose that. You can also choose maternity. So you can also choose maternity. So you can choose maternity here or choose the other maternity here. Then you're ready to go. So now you want to scroll down. So here at the bottom here, you want to introduce your website, introduce your online business. So you can say parenting. So there, you get it. So when you finish, you go to create page down here. Yeah, you'll be able to create your page. So let's click that. So it's gonna present you with this page here. So you're going to enter your website URL here. So you're going to go to your website URL. So this is my website URL here. I'm gonna grab it and go back to my Facebook there and paste it in there. I'm going to right click your mouse and paste it there. So here you're going to enter the phone number, your phone number there. If you want to enter your phone number, you're also going to enter your email address. If you like, you can enter it there. If not, you can leave it there. You can leave it like that. Location, you can enter your location here. And zip code, you can enter your zip code here. And you can enter your city. You can enter your city here and enter the zip code here. So you scroll down again. You also want to enter your opening hour and closing hour. So if your business is always open, you can just tick always open. If not, you are going to click no hour available or open at selected hour. So you are going to select an hour that your business closed and that is open, that it stays open. So down here, you're going to click next and finish. So here you're going to add the image, the picture of your here. So you can use the image, your website logo for this side here. So let's say I want to add my website logo. If you already have a logo, you can just get it from your computer. If not, you can use Canva and create a logo for yourself. So to do that, you can just go to Canva, go to home page of Canva, and you can just go to Canva and you can create logo there. So another thing you can use is it's a website called Flaticon. So flat icon. From flat icon, you can just go flat icon and type in the name of your website. What's your website all about? For example, my website is about maternity or baby care. So you can just type it, and then you want to look for icon. You want to look for icon that resemble maternity. So when you pick icon, then you are going to look for icon here. So these are icon that you can pick. So if you want to pick this, for example, you can just click download here and go download it to your computer. So now let's go back to Facebook and add our image here. So since I already have my image, so I'm just going to go to my computer here. I'm going to click on this box here, and it's going to take me to my computer here. I'm going to say I should pick my image. So here I want to pick maternity here, and I want to go down and click open. So right there, here is the logo of my website there, same logo there. So when you scroll down, you are going to also add a cover. So I want to add a cover to the page. So to do that, you can also to add cover to the page, you can always go to Canva and create a cover. So here is the cover that I created. So this cover, I'm going to be using it for my website. So you can do the same. Canva is good for that. You want to do that. So since I've already downloaded my image, so I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to go over to Facebook, and I'm going to click inside this box here. Then I'm going to pick my image here, right there. Then you click, go down here and click open. So it's going to download the cover photo. So now we have cover and the image here, picture, the logo right there. So when you finish, you click next. So here it's going to tell you if you want to add your WhatsApp. So if you want to connect with your WhatsApp, you can do that. If not, you can just skip. So here you can invite your people. So here you can invite your audience to this page here. So if you want to invite all of them, you can just click invite friends. And you choose the one that you want to, choose people that you want to invite to this page here. If not, you can just click next. So now website page is ready to go. So when you finish, click done there. So this is the page right here. So the page has been created. So here, if you want to add action button to your page, you can just add it here so that when people come to this page here, this button is going to take them to your website. So here are some items that you can choose from. So if your website is about booking, you can just book now. You can just use book now. If your website is about signing up, you can just click sign up. You can just choose sign up. Here you can choose start order. If you're about ordering stuff. If you're about shop, you can just choose view shop so that people can go there and view your shop. Here you can pick get ticket if it is about ticket. You can choose that. So here, if you want people to get in touch with you right away, direct, you can just tick one of these items here, so people can send you a message. If you want people to send you a message, if you want them to send you a message from WhatsApp, or you want them to call you right away, you want them to send email to you or contact you right away. So you can choose menu. So for this website here, what I'm going to choose is learn more. Okay. So I'm going to choose that and I'm going to close it. So the button has been clicked. So now here you can promote the page here, and you can add post here. So here you can see your post here. Here you can add about your business here. If you click there, you can see everything about your business here. You can add more about your business, education details about your business. Here you can see the post and tags that people adding. Here you can see reviews. Here you can see followers, people that follow your business. Here you can see photos of your business. And if you go here, you can see more stuff here. So here is video, lives, groups, music, questions, checking, sports, movies, TVs, books. So here on this left side here you can go you want to see professional dashboard, you can just go there. If you click here, you see the professional dashboard there. So here you can see how many people your page reach, how many engagements this page has. Here you can see new page like and so on and so forth. So here is post. So here, if you want to create new post, you can just create post here. Or if you want to create posts for your page, for your online business, you can create new post here. If you want to create ads, you can create ads here. So here you can see the results of your page and post here. You can see from the last 90 days, last 18, last 28 days, and last 7 days. You can also choose date here, post reach and post engagement. You can see everything. So here you can view audience. Here are ad center. So here you can invite friends to follow you from here. Here you can see inspiration hub here, comment manager here, events. You can create events, pages access. So you can access your page here, moderation assist, message center, links, business app, message suite. So here, use pages guide, business app center. So here, if you want to go Meta Business Suite, you can just go there. You can just click that. And it's going to take you to Meta Business Suite. So this side is a Meta Business. So this is a Meta Business Suite right here. So here you can create new posts. Here you can create ads. Here are more stuff that you can do. Create video, create story, go live. You can go live here. Here you can see what is trending here. Here notifications. Here inbox. Here you have posts and stories. The planners here, ads here. And here you can see your insight here. All tools are here. So let's say you want to create a post. You can just go here and click there. So here in this box here, you can choose where you want it to go. So you want the new post that you want to post. If you want it to go to your page, to this page, you can choose. You can just choose this one here. If you want it to go to Instagram, you can just connect your Instagram. If you have an Instagram with this page here, you can just connect it together and it's gonna go to Instagram. So here you are going to write a little bit. You are going to describe the post details. So you can just write about the post that you want to post on your page, and you also add the post URL. So you add the post link. So everything is gonna show up here. And when you scroll down, you add tag. And here you are going to, if you want to schedule your post, if you want to publish it now, you can publish it now here. If you want to schedule the post, you can schedule it here. If you want to save as draft, you can just save it here. Then when you scroll down here, if you want to boost the post, you can just take boost here. So this post, you can be able to boost the post there. So guys, that's how you create a Facebook business page for your website. If you guys have any question or have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.